Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, and when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more, who won't forget your name. The tide is high, say goodbye, we said and said, and all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing, standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing, standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop were holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
Magic lies in the mind, but my blade follows my heart.
I swear to God, they'll probably never understand me. Sick of just walking around pretending I'm happy. Feel like collapsing from all the weight that I carry, but I just keep it pushing and pop me another Xanny. Know it's sad, but I remember as a kid it was rough. Always thought we had it all, what I was missing was love. Now I was drowning in some waters that were thicker than blood. Still they wonder how the fuck I got addicted to drugs. Damn, but they don't get that I'm avoiding feeling pain. Only time I feel alive is when there's poison in my veins. Mama telling me to look at what I'm doing to myself, but I just wanna be fucking happy like everybody else. They looking down on me like I'm the fucking villain. I don't wanna talk about it, I know they don't wanna listen. I was only trying to make up for the feeling I was missing. If I'm only feeling pain, tell me what's the point of living? Every day I'm waking up and trying to deal with the stress. And I've been acting like I'm happy when my life is a mess. And all I know is that I got this fucking pain in my chest. And I would love to get clean, but I'm too fucking depressed. Damn, mom was panicking and losing her faith. Came to tell me about a rehab in a beautiful place. She said, just checking up if you was awake. She broke down when she seen her son blue in the face and thought, no one ever told me it would be this hard. Never really thought that it would take my life, no. I just want the pain to fucking go away. Hey, hey, hey. Once upon a time we were the happiest couple. Knew we always had each other, never had any trouble. Always had each other's backs if we happened to struggle. I left some people in the past and they were mad that I love you. Said it's only puppy love, I knew that wasn't the case. I remember getting nervous when I brought you on dates. Conversations about the future and copping our own place. Talking about the day you be sharing my last name. I think I've loved you since the time that we met. You had my heart and to be honest, you was taking my breath. All my homies said that I became a little obsessed. Never thought that you would dip and leave me fucking depressed. Damn, how could you leave me, girl? I thought you were the one. Treated you like a queen, never lied to you once. Now I feel like I'm drowning and there's water filling my lungs. I don't wanna be alone, I'm afraid of who I'll become. You're gone and I fucking hate it, I feel like I'm suffocating. You ripped my fucking heart out and never tried to replace it. Now when I think about you, all I feel is disgust. You were all I ever wanted, thanks for fucking it up. Everybody that's around me knowing something is wrong. They always try to tell me love's the strongest drug of them all. You know what? I'ma go and see for myself. Let me pop a couple Xannies, I'ma see if it helps. Oh my God, I think I finally feel alive again. Oh my God, I think I'm finally about to smile again. And I just started sleeping better at night. I think I finally found the feeling of what heaven is like. They're getting rid of all my stress when I'm torn. And I can tell that they're relieving all my pressure for sure. Till my dealer told me that he couldn't get me anymore. Now I'm feeling way sicker than I ever did before. Shit, I can't even take a brief intermission without me throwing up or feeling like a piece of me's missing. It was the time I needed love, now I need a prescription. I'm done with living like this, I'd rather lethal injection. Cause all I think about is pills when I open my eyes. And every day I'm waking up and feeling broken inside, when all I really wanted was to feel happy for once. But now I'm losing myself and losing my family's trust. Damn, I really think these drugs have taken my soul. Probably pop them till they put me in the grave and I'm cold. But I can't point any fingers, I know the blame is my own. I got addicted to a bitch and that's a fate that I chose. No one ever told me it would be this hard. Never really thought that it would take my life long. I just want the pain to fucking go away. Hey, hey, hey. No one ever told me it would be this hard. Never really thought that it would take my life long. I just want the pain to fucking go away. Hey, hey, hey. Get it poppin', get the drink. Hold up, bitches wildin' when the gang showed up. Swear they gotta know the name, they gotta show up. I've been flexing on these lanes, I got it sold up. Get it poppin', get the drink. Hold up, bitches wildin' when the gang showed up. Swear they gotta know the name, they gotta show up. I've been flexing on these lanes, I got it sold up. Yo, ain't no debate, I've been putting in work. Said I've been grinding for what I deserve. Climbing the ladder and silencing rappers. I walk in the building and watch them disperse. Wonder why y'all don't got time for no label. All of these deals they put on the table. Better be at least 2 commas inside of that contract or I'ma be turning unstable. Tell them I'm about to go down with the grace. Put me with 50, put me with Drake. Shit, I remember when bitches they want me, but now they won't get the fuck out of my face. Popping no doublemint, mobbing in public. Watching me rise to the top is your punishment. Empty your pockets, I feel like the government. Tell them I'm running shit. Get it poppin', get the drink. Hold up, bitches wildin' when the gang showed up. Swear they gotta know the name, they gotta show up. I've been flexing on these lanes, I got it sold up. Get it poppin', get the drink. Hold up, bitches wildin' when the gang showed up. Swear they gotta know the name, they gotta show up. I've been flexing on these lanes, I got it sold up. Getting my weight up, ain't no need to flex. I know I got all these labels impressed. Still independent and making a killing. My phone it keep ringing, they know that I'm next. Hustle and talent been keeping me relevant. Look at my numbers and use them as evidence. I got the paper and know how to leverage it. Won't let a bitch ever touch my percentages. I've been the boss, controlling my business. Don't need nobody to work on my image. YP the movement, y'all know what the drill is. The fan base a label, they scared to admit it. Know that we finally making it happen. Tell them that we don't got time for distractions. Ain't no debate that I'm far from the average. I want it all, I won't leave them a ration. Come on. Hold up, bitches wildin' when the gang showed up. Swear they gotta know the name, they gotta show up. I've been flexing on these lanes, I got it sold up. Get it poppin', get the drink. Hold up, bitches wildin' when the gang showed up. Swear they gotta know the name, they gotta show up. I've been flexing on these lanes, I got it sold up.
I don't know how much more of this I can take. My thoughts controlling me, my fears controlling me. I'm anxious.
I've been feeling anxious, feeling like a slave to my mind, I just wanna be free. I've been feeling anxious, and when I look around there ain't nobody feeling like me. I've been feeling anxious, hoping that I make it through the pain, got me begging God please. I've been feeling anxious, feeling like a slave to my mind, I just wanna be free. I'm waking up in a panic, gripping my chest tight. Can't wait till I can see the end of all these stress nights. But I'm a soldier, so I'ma put up my best fight and pray to God that I won't have to suffer in my next life. Whenever I'm out in public, I start to panic. I'm always on the edge, like something is gonna happen. The worst case possible is what my mind imagines, and this shit could get triggered by the slightest interaction. It's like it always makes you focus on your biggest fears, and it reminds you that you'll never make them disappear. And when your mind is crystal clear, this shit will interfere. Like don't you ever try to be driven or even switching gears. I'm going ballistic, I'm broken, no one can fix it. And I don't want physicians just trying to feed me prescriptions. The pills I've been given gon' beat me into submission, cause the chemical